Welcome, curious souls, to a mystical journey filled with enchantment and discovery. Today, we delve into the realm beyond existence, to the realm of spirits. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of summoning these ethereal beings? If so, let us embark on this extraordinary adventure together. First, it is important to approach spirit summoning with pure intentions and respect. Remember, spirits are not mere playthings. They are powerful entities with their own desires and motives. So, before you embark on this quest, tread carefully and prepare your heart and mind. Next, create a sacred space, a sanctuary where spirits can manifest and communicate with us. This can be a tranquil corner, adorned with candles, soft music, and meaningful symbols. Embrace serenity and connect with the energy around you, for spirits are drawn to those who are in tune with the spiritual realm. Now, let us explore the tools you may employ when summoning spirits. Crystals, tarot cards, pendulums, and Ouija boards can all act as conduits for connection. Experiment and find the method that resonates with your spirit the most. But always remember, trust your intuition above all else. As you delve into the unknown, maintain a calm and focused mind. Meditation and mindfulness can help you center your thoughts and open a channel for communication. Focus on your breath, inviting the spirits to join you on this sacred journey. During your encounter, be patient and open to the signs and messages the spirits may convey. They may communicate through telepathy, dreams, or even through physical sensations. Trust your instincts and allow yourself to be receptive to their presence. Finally, always remember to protect yourself. Spirits can be both benevolent and malevolent. Before summoning, create a protective barrier by envisioning a shield of white light surrounding you. This barrier will safeguard your energy and ensure a positive interaction. In conclusion, summoning spirits can be a transformative experience, bringing forth ancient wisdom and guidance. Approach it with reverence, openness, and above all, respect. The paranormal world holds many mysteries, waiting to be unlocked by those brave enough to peer beyond the veil. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. May your path be illuminated, and may the spirits guide you on your quest for knowledge.